Hello and welcome to the brand new course Azure Kubernetes Service and ElasticStack. My name is Shantanu and I'm going to be the author of this course. In terms of experience, I've been working into the infrastructure world from past many years, and I've worked as a site reliability engineer with solid hands-on experience in multi-clouds, be it GCP or Azure. I've helped Fortune 500 companies setting up their CI/CD of their application. I've also extensive hands-on experience on infrastructure automation using Terraform, Pulumi, Ansible, Azure DevOps to name a few. I've been actively generating content on social media platform and recently I've authored a couple of courses on Udemy and other publisher channel as well. Let's look at the prerequisites of this course. We would expect you to have Azure subscription, a trial would work as well, Terraform installed on your local system, an active internet connection with a basic knowledge of YAML. Since we would be working majorly on the terminal, we would expect you to have a code editor. Visual Studio Code or IntelliJ would work, as both of them kind of comes with an open source version. Why this course? 90% of this course is built on top of hands-on session, which means majority of the time which you're going to spend on this course is going to be on a real life scenario wherein we're going to be doing a real hands-on session on Azure Kubernetes and Elasticsearch. This course is derived from a real industry scenario wherein you're not going to build a hello world program on top of your Kubernetes service. It's going to be a real experience. How do you build a scalable solution with a real industry experience? We're going to be building system from scratch, which means we're going to be writing Terraform scripts or Kubernetes manifests. We're going to build everything from scratch rather than copying pasting code from different sources. If you manage multi-Docker containers, you need to learn Kubernetes to orchestrate them. Who are the target audience for this course? This course is built for system engineers, DevOps, app developers, SRE to name a few. However, this course is not limited to all of them. If you kind of work on Docker, if you kind of work on containers and make sure that you understand the fundamentals of Azure Kubernetes service coming from an Azure background, this course is highly recommended for you. Alright, what are we going to build actually in this course? You're going to be spending a lot of time on this course. What are we actually going to build? A little confused. Are we going to build an Nginx? No. What else then? Are we gonna build a hello world kind of application which generally happens? No, we're not gonna do that as well. What else then? Apache? I guess no. We're gonna build a real problem. We're gonna solve a real problem wherein we're gonna be building an Azure Kubernetes service using infrastructure as a code, not even manually, using Terraform. And then on top of it, we're gonna be understanding the fundamentals of Kubernetes, wherein we're going to start off with creating namespace, understanding what is a namespace. Then we're going to dive deep into stateful set, services, deployment pods, and all of these objects in Kubernetes. We're going to also play around with Azure Container Registry, wherein we're going to put our images. Then the fun part, we're going to start off building the ElasticStack solution. We're going to start building the Elasticsearch, which is going to be a private solution to keep your data. And then on top of it, we're going to be deploying Kibana. This is going to be a stateful set with a load balancer type so that the application is kind of available outside the world as well. It's kind of accessible using the public IP address. Sounds fun? So without further ado, let's get started and look what we have in store.